Pepper. I'm doing a review today of this little dinky EDC knife, keyring, that I got from a local camping shop called Outdoors. Clipstick. It cost me about £5.50, and I thought, you know, it's pretty wicked little case, and little knife in there I could attach to my EDC keyring or keychain. I haven't opened it yet. See, still got the seal on the back. This is on the back, quick release clip, knife, file, bottle opener, screwdriver, scissors, stainless steel multi-tool with quick release clip, tools tucked neatly into a 65mm frame, superb sharp scissors and knife, bottle opener and screwdriver, file and nail cleaner, built-in click release clip. And I thought, you know, I can use that for my keychain, but I can also use the case for like a little survival kit. So I like my survival kits and building things. So without any further ado, you'd think that'd break the seal. You'd think that'd break the seal, but it doesn't. So put that on top of there. There we come. True utility in your pocket. Compared to my hand, it's not very big, is it really? That feels quite strong. Yeah, I think I got my keys, no problem. Yeah, it feels sharp enough. Nice. It feels nice. Doesn't feel like it's going to fall apart at any minute. What else we got? So we've got the knife. We've got the scissors. Oh, we've got the bottle opener there as well, yeah. So we've got scissors. We've got a bottle opener and also a little screwdriver at the end. I suppose that's it really, isn't it? But, you know, that's all you need sometimes. Little knife, scissors, bottle opener, a file. Oh, there's the file. Do your nails on. And then screwdriver, scissors, knife. There you have it, folks. So, as for the box, I mean, it's a nice plastic container. It's got like a bit of a seal at the end, so hopefully it's waterproof. Yeah, it's nice, that is. The case is nearly as good as the knife itself. Thanks, folks. See you soon.